If I could grab the attention of the whole world in a tapestry of voices, diverse and unfurled, from the peaks of mountains to the depth of the seas, let us unite, transcending borders with ease. From the vibrant rhythms of Africa's beating drums to the melodic chants where Asian cultures hum. In the whispers of ancient wisdom, ageless and wise, let our harmonies blend with symphony that defy. In the bustling streets of cities, the global array, languages intertwining in a vibrant ballet. From the land of the rising sun to the western shores, let our cultures entwine as open hearts explore. For in this grand gathering, let us strive to bridge divides and compassion revive. With cadence in our voices, together we'll rise, embracing the beauty that beneath our differences lies. So let us stand hand in hand, a kaleidoscope of dreams, where unity and love reign, stitching vibrant seams, with respect for every nation, creed, and hue, a multicultural tapestry we shall weave anew. For in the symphony of humanity's embrace, we find strength, resilience, and endless grace. In this shared voyage, may our souls unite, a global chorus shining brilliantly like stars in the night. If I could grab the attention of the whole world in this multilingual dance, our spirit unfurled, let us forge a path of peace with every step, together bound by love, no challenge we can't intercept.